Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. That makes time a variable that can be hard to control and monitor. Once the time has slipped away, you never get it back. So, the way we spend our time defines what we are. But what are the best ways to manage our time more effectively? Don't worry, this is our topic today. In this video, you will know some ultimate ways to manage your time and how to use your each day with full efficiency. Hey guys, this is your Ajay Reddy. Welcome back to my channel. The first one is plan ahead. Planning ahead is a critical part of time management. Ideally, you should plan ahead for the week or at least the day before. When you know exactly what needs to get done for the day or week, you'll stay organized and focused. You can break tasks across day to see in advance how much time is needed to complete a project. Even spending just a few minutes planning ahead can transform how you work. The next one is have a to-do list. Having a list is always a time saver. If you have a list, you will never have to wonder what's on the daily agenda or what to do next. Indeed, a list keeps you focused and motivated, focused on feeling that sweet satisfaction every time you tick off a task from your list. Lists also let you see and monitor your progress. Even if you are surrounded by distractions, your list will keep you on the right track. The next one is start with your most important tasks. Do your most important tasks in the morning. All those stressful tasks, the big bulk of your work, the hardest tasks, do them in the morning. The reason is simple. You have the most energy in the morning, so you will be able to tackle the tasks effectively and competently. Plus, the feeling of accomplishment at getting the most important stuff done first will make you the rest of the day that much better. Set a time limit for your each work. Setting a time limit for a task can be fun. In fact, it can be like a game. Some companies actually divide employees into groups, and the group that finishes a project or task first gets a reward. You can apply this principle to any of your tasks. Set a definite time limit, such as an hour, then try to finish the task within the allotted time and feel the excitement as you do it. And the last one is focus on one task at a time. If you have chosen to do a task, see it through to the end. Finish it. Avoid doing half work, which means ignoring your current work and doing something else entirely. One example of half work is writing a report, then suddenly checking your WhatsApp for no reason and texting replies. That's not only bad time management but also bad for your concentration too. You will lose your momentum, focus on the task at hand and avoid these pitfalls. Because how you use your time is going to be the best indication of where your future is going to take you. That's all for this video guys. If you really enjoyed the time, make sure to like this video now, comment your opinion below, share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel for keep knowing and keep growing.